First, connect the power supply and the S-Video interface. S-Video can only transmit video and does not include audio. After connecting to the power supply, the screen of the recorder is as shown above. Connect the S-Video cable to the video recorder and the recorder respectively. Press to play camera video. Switch the recorder to the S-Video signal source. At this point, you can see that the images on both sides have synchronized. Insert the U-disc. Press the rack stop button after the USB light is on. The appearance of a timer in the top right corner indicates that recording has begun. Press the blue screenshot button to take a screenshot. Press rack stop again to end the recording. After the recording is complete, you can enter the video menu to view the recorded videos and screenshots. To return to the previous step, you need to press the return button located in the lower right corner. The settings menu offers options for language, recording duration, scheduled recording, and other functions.